Decorate on top of a click command. I am trying to decorate a function which is already decorated by a click and called from the command line. Normal decoration to capitalize the input could look like this. standard_decoration.py. Then from the command line. The first example from the click documentation looks like this. hello.py. When run from the command line. What is the correct way to apply a decorator which modifies the inputs to this click decorated function, e.g. make it uppercase just like the one above? Once a function is decorated by click, would it be true to say that any positional arguments it has are transformed to keyword arguments? It seems that it matches things like count with strings in the argument function, and then the order in the decorated function no longer seems to matter.
It appears that click passes keywords arguments. This should work. I think it needs to be the first decorator, i.e. it is called after all of the click methods are done. You could also try something like this to be specific about which parameter to capitalize.
Harvey's answer won't work with command groups. Effectively, this would replace the hello command with wrapper, which is not what we want. Instead, try something like
About click command groups, we need to take into account what the documentation says. This URL. So in the end, a simple decorator like this needs to be converted to work with click. The documentation suggests using ctx.invoke f, ctx.obj, but that has led to an error of duplicit arguments.